Dear students, we will discuss about categories of typewriters. Typewriters are mechanical or electromechanical devices used to print on the sheet. There are the following 5 categories of typewriters: standard typewriter, noiseless typewriter, portable typewriter, electric typewriter, and electronic typewriters. Standard typewriter. Standard means that which is recognized as a rule or model of approved merit or excellence. The expression standard typewriter signifies that the machine is a model of excellence for the purpose it is used, namely to write rapidly, accurately, and neatly. The standard typewriter was perfected by the Underwood Company in 1896. Noiseless typewriter. This typewriter works on the principle of pressure printing instead of usual stroking method, and therefore it makes less noise than any other ordinary typewriter. Portable typewriter. The portable typewriter has all the features of a standard typewriter, but its weight is light. It is used by traveling operators. It is also useful for a professional businessmen, journalists, doctors, executives, and others who have to travel frequently and require letters, documents to be typed during the course of their business tours. Electric typewriters. The first electric typewriter was produced by the Blickensderfer Manufacturing Company of Stamford, Connecticut in 1902, followed by the improved version by various manufacturers in 1914. Many electric typewriters have dispensed with type bars and instead use a small round-shaped head commonly known as golf bar. The surface of the head carries all the characters needed to match with those of the keyboard. When the keys are operated on the keyboard, the typing head revolves to the required printing position and prints the character. Electronic typewriter. Electronic typewriters are based on the sophisticated microprocessor computer technology. These are operated by microchips. All the characters keys are the same as on the manual and electric typewriter. So my dear students, this is a brief regarding the different category of typewriter. Thank you.